this season, it is no in between. It's either you're on God's side or you're not. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people not gonna make it to this new reality. But you ain't gotta worry about that. If you vote, if you vote, you there. You already there. You know what I'm saying? If you seeing no angel numbers, if you seeing if you seeing animals surrounding you everywhere you go, every time you come outside, it feel like the sun is following you. I'm talking to you. This word is for you. It ain't no in between with them no more, man. You can't risk getting derailed from our mission no longer. It's the reason you walk into the room and people got to get on their phone now. You know what I'm saying? People got to step outside now because your light is shining bright. You know what I'm saying? If they mess with anybody that you don't mess with, that your spirit don't sit right with, cut them off. Period. I don't care who they is. They could be your mama, your sister, your brother, your cousin. Cut them off.